Big J, take one.
This is Big J's Escapes. I'm still in Brazil. You know me, I like my eateries. So as I was coming towards the famous stairs, there was this really good smell coming out of this place. There was a lot of people sitting outside it. There's people partying there. You know, people drinking and just fellowshipping, a lot of families. So as I've come here, I said, let me try out this place. So here's the place now. So I'm just gonna go and see what the food's hitting like, so soon come. So the restaurant is called Os Ximenes. Right. I told you guys that it was called the Scanto. You see, like I said, I am a baby here. I really got to get on my Portuguese. But I said the same thing about Spanish, didn't I? But no, Os Ximenes. This is gonna be fun. But yeah, no, honestly, I smell a good smell coming from where I was at the stairs. And one thing about me, I love food reviews. So we're definitely going to be doing a good food review today. Hopefully the smell matches the taste. I don't know, but there was a good, I mean, we went to one place where that was due to my cousin. Oh yeah, the smell was brilliant from there, and I'm sorry. The food there was terrible. I ain't even gonna lie, the food there was absolutely terrible. They had this prawn thing and this sauce thing. No, it just wasn't. No, after a while we were just like, look, we can't. See, there I go again. I didn't even see. I didn't even plug in my mic. You see what I mean? But anyway, we're gonna be still rolling. So anyway, this restaurant, I've forgotten the name already. It's literally on the corner where the stairs is. It's literally on the corner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some footage of where you can see it. So I'm gonna be trying the food out here. What I looked, reasonable prices, very reasonable prices, especially in the area that you are in Rio, Lapa. Got my link with me, so hopefully food's gonna be good, man. Got my cousin here with me, got the one and only Mr. One Only Famous Glenn Bull with me. So we're gonna be trying that. Well, Glenn's not gonna be eating. Glenn's not gonna be eating. Well, me, my cousin, and my link, we're gonna be eating. Thank you. We're gonna be eating. So let's try this food out and see what I want for it, man. See you later. Peace. I saw my man. Shout out to my man. Right, he come with that tray. Yo, they hooked us up, people. Yo. Alright, man, look, I'm a... Yo, people, that's fish, right? Oh my God, the fish, oh man, yo, if that's not the perfect, yo, you know when you're talking about the fish McNuggets, if this is not the perfect fish McNuggets, then I don't know what it is, man. Yo, let's try one of the chips. Oh yeah. I'm at the restaurant, and don't ask what the name is, it's across the road from the stairs. I saw a lovely smell coming out. I saw my man bring a tray, and I'm telling you right now, right, the food, look, this is fish, right? If these ain't the perfect fish McNuggets, look. Sorry, it's so dark in here, I ain't got no light, so I don't know if you can see, look. And I tell you what, oh my God, yo, oh my God, so fresh, seasoned. I haven't tried the chicken, so I'm going to get into the chicken. You got sauce with it, chips, let's try the chips. I know these chips are gonna hit. Oh wow. Oh my god. These, I'm gonna try the chicken, people. That's hot. That is hot. Oh my god. That is hot, people. Oh. I know some of you are like, get into the chicken, get into the chicken. I did cut out chicken for a while. It didn't work out. Because I've gone back to the Frango, so. This don't look like chicken to me, somehow this don't look like chicken to me. Oh, it's chicken. Okay. Now let's go. Oh my god, people. People. Yo. I'm sorry the lighting is really bad. This is really good. It is. Look at that. That is good. I'm gonna have to edit all of that out. Fernando, salsa. Fernando, salsa. God damn. People. I ain't gonna lie, right? They use fried chicken. Let me show you. Yeah? It's fried. It's fried like a, what do you call it? Like the skin's like a beef jerky, but it's oh my god, there's more food. Oh, there's more food. Oh, we've got some empanadas as well. Anyway, let me finish this. Oh my god. So we just got some empanadas in. Queijo. Oops, Anyway, so let's get back to the chicken. So it's fried, really deep fried, right? But you can taste like your onions, and you can taste your garlic, and you can taste just little hints of ginger in it, and it works. The chicken, you can taste the ginger. If you're a meat eater, or you're chicken eater, or carne eater, or whatever, you're gonna enjoy this. I'm sure they've got a beef. Whoa. I'm sure they've got like a beef dish like that as well. You'll see the pictures on the menu, and the pictures do match up to what you're gonna get. That's the important part. When I saw the picture, when I saw the picture versus what the food looked like, it looked just like it. And next thing, 4 of us. It's big portions, very, very big portions. Come with some rice. And I say we got some empanadas, I ain't gonna lie. They made us feel welcome. The drinks came out fast. They checked on us. Yeah, good. Been real good, nice atmosphere. different array of couples and families come here. You know, it's near the stairs, so it's a big tourist attraction. So it's been a blast today, man. You know, it's just I'm in a couple of days in. I'm gonna really try and make an effort to do more vlogs. I know I keep on saying it. Let's do more eating and let's bull crap, shall we? Yeah. Look, fried to perfection. Wow. Yeah. No, do no. No. But that skin is crackling, chicken crack. It's that brought me back. This is trouble. I need to go back to being a pescatarian, I really do. You know what? The serviettes are like bloody paper, man. Well, that's me. That was really good. So, I can't remember the name of the restaurant, but we're in Lapa and the food was real good. And I'm going on the razzle. Peace and love, manners and respect. So people, I was looking in the dessert cabinet and the guy translated what that was. So it's like a cream biscuit things with peanuts and bits of cashew nuts mixed with toffee. Ah, the thing's mad. Look at that. See, look, even my cousin, look, he's on it. Nah, it's good though. It's like a cream colour. Very sweet though. It's good. I can't say it's like a cake. It's like top layer. It's like a little thin, look. But it works. I've never had anything like it, and I love my dessert. Oh bro, it's very sweet though. But you see that part there? It's very, very sweet. It will definitely test the teeth, that's for sure. Well,